Welcome to this video. We're going to look at how to connect the AT-OCS-900N sensor to Velocity. First, you'll need to connect and set up your sensor. Check out the setup and configuration video in this series. We also assume you have taken the Level 300 Velocity training class. This walks you through our Velocity gateways. In our example, we're connecting to my physical gateway and not to the virtual machine. First, you must make sure you upgrade the firmware to a minimum version of 2.4.5. Under the menu, select Settings and Gateway. If your current version is less than 2.4.5, then select to agree to the license agreement, then check for updates and upload to the latest firmware. To learn more about uploading firmware, you can check out the additional trainings at Atlona Academy. Now that our firmware is updated, we can search for the OCS-900N. We're going to go to our site and start by editing room technology using the plus sign. Then we're going to add technology to our site. From the technology page, you can simply search for the OCS-900N sensor and select it. Add one or more sensors to your room. Then select Edit Room Device in order to configure the equipment. You can change the alias to be able to locate it easier. Add the IP address of your OCS-900N and hit Save. Give the unit a minute to connect. If it doesn't, you may want to verify your IP address. Next, we want to enable the on-off commands. These are disabled by default. These are on-off commands that will be automatically added to any automated on-off macros previously created. Velocity can add time on top of a room delay before executing room off macros. You can create macro variables using motion state, ambient light status, temperature status, and connection status. Let's look at how that would be done. First, we make certain that our variables are populated in our Velocity gateway. Next, we'll create a condition under which the variable is triggered. Now, back under our conditions, let's create the occupied room condition. Let's look up the device and select the motion variable. You can see the default is set to false or 0. So if it's true, the room is occupied, we want it set to 1. The second condition is the vacant room. In this instance, the motion variable would be set to the default of 0. I've opened up 2 browser windows so I can see if the OCS-900N is on or off and if the condition variables are passing or failing. After 5 seconds, you can see the variable changes to 1, and now the occupied variable is passing and the vacant is failing. Let's fast forward our 5 minutes and see if they switch. There it is. The variable is vacant and now passing, and the occupied is failing. Now you can finish the coding of your room and set additional triggers such as ambient light and temperature. To learn more, you can find these manuals and any additional product information through www.atlona.com/product-finder. Thanks for watching.